SONOR's own production techniques are also used in manufacturing the body of a metal snare. The metal snares are not simply made from one piece of metal welded together at the middle seam, as is customary. Instead, the body is deep drawn out of a disc of ferromanganese steel. Of course, the snare, deep drawn out of a disc, doesn't interrupt the vibrations of the metal body, as would be the case with welded snares. It makes for a richer, unspoiled sound. The snare is angled at exactly 45 degrees. Another machine takes care of folding the center. After this, the holes for all fittings are punched. Then, in the cleaning room, the snare is polished, and now it is finally ready for electroplating. Electroplating requires a total of 23 operations. After being degreased several times and undergoing an ultrasonic cleaning, the snare is put into a copper bath for 10 to 20 minutes in the 9th operation, where copper is deposited. The copper-coated snare is washed by hand and polished, closing the pores of the copper plating. 5 additional degreasing and cleaning operations get the snare ready for a 10 to 20 minute long nickel bath. After rinsed twice, it is given a coating of chrome in a 5-minute chrome bath. 2 rinsing processes are required to detoxify the chrome residues. After the hot water bath, the chrome-plated snare dries in a furnace. The electroplating department must meet high environmental standards owing to the acids and heavy metals that accumulate there. After the wastewater has been filtered through several stages, its heavy metal content is below the detection limit, as shown here in our test tube. The toxic substances are run through a multi-stage settling basin. There they are deposited in the form of sludge. The sludge is pressed and dried in an accumulator and then disposed of as special waste. The angler who is fishing on the little river near the factory must be glad that SONOR has to maintain the exacting standards of 2 independent water pollution control agencies. When the electroplating is complete, the snare is polished once more. Now, at last, it can be put together in the final assembly.